Hello, my dear friends. Today I am back again with another new and interesting chicken recipe. Today we will be cooking a healthy, tasty, and nutritious chicken stew. So let's take a look at the ingredients that we require for making this recipe. Chicken with bone, 1100 grams. I have removed the skin, cleaned and cut the chicken into pieces. 3 medium-sized onions, approximately 190 grams, that I have thinly sliced. 4 big cloves of garlic, approximately 21 grams. 1 piece of ginger, approximately 6 grams. 1 large tomato diced, approximately 115 grams. Carrots. Here I have taken 2 big carrots, approximately 200 grams, that I have cut into big pieces. French beans. I have taken around 80 grams of French beans and cut it into long pieces. 2 big potatoes, approximately 250 grams, that I have cut into halves. Raw papaya. Here I have taken 6 pieces, and according to your wish. Half a tablespoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, this is optional, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, a pinch of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoonful of cornstarch, some whole spices which includes 2 cardamoms, 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 bay leaves, around 16 peppercorns and 1 dried red chili, 2 teaspoons of tomato ketchup, sugar and salt as per taste, and 5 tablespoons of sunflower oil. So let's start. First, we will make the ginger and garlic paste in a mixer. Then in a pan, we heat up 5 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, we add the whole spices to it. That is cinnamon, cardamom, bay leaves, peppercorns and the dried red chili. On high heat, saute a bit. Now we will add the finely sliced onions to this. Fry the onions on high heat for 3 to 4 minutes till the onions turn light brown. You can see that the onions have turned light brown. Now add the ginger garlic paste to this. On medium heat, saute very nicely for 2 minutes till the raw smell of the ginger and garlic goes away. After 2 minutes, add the coriander powder, add a pinch of turmeric powder, add the red chili powder, this is optional. You can also add crushed black pepper instead if you like. Now increase the heat to high and saute the spices very nicely for a minute. After a minute, lower the heat. Now add the diced tomato. Saute a bit. Now we will add the chicken pieces to this. Saute and mix the chicken pieces good with the spices. On medium heat, cook everything for around 5 minutes. Add salt as per taste. Here I have added approximately 1.5 tablespoons of salt. Also add sugar as per taste. I have added approximately 1 teaspoon of sugar. Saute everything nicely and keep stirring in between. After 5 minutes, add the potato pieces. Stir and cook further for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add the carrots and the French beans to this. Now you can add vegetables according to your own personal choice. Add the papaya pieces. Mix everything very nicely on high heat for around 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add 2 cups of warm water to this. Give it a good stir. On high heat, bring it to a boil. After it starts to boil, I will transfer the entire thing into a pressure cooker. Now, as we have added raw papaya, we need to pressure cook it. But if you are not adding any raw papaya to this, you can continue cooking in the pan itself. Add the garam masala powder and give it a stir. After it starts to boil, set the heat to medium and cover the pressure cooker or pan, whatever you are using. If you pressure cook it, then cook it on medium heat until 2 whistles. In a pan, cook on low heat for around 15 minutes. After 2 whistles in a pressure cooker, we switch off the heat and give it a standing time till the pressure releases. In a pan or pot, switch off the heat after 15 minutes and give it a standing time of 5 minutes. Now we will open the lid and check. It looks really yummy and a nice smell is coming. Now we will again place it back on high heat. Now we will dilute the cornstarch with some water and pour it into the chicken stew to thicken the gravy. Add the tomato ketchup. If you like, you can also add a teaspoon of butter to this. On high heat, bring everything to a good boil for a minute. After a minute, switch off the heat and cover it. So, my dear friends, our yummy chicken stew is perfectly ready to go to the table. You can enjoy it with bread, rice, whatever you prefer. I hope you will give it a try and let me know your feedback in the comment section. Thank you for watching my video. Till the next time. Bye bye.